Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video we will talk about some Excel new tricks. Simply open Excel. So here I'm using 2019. This is a simple blank sheet I have opened. Now if I want to example make my personal budget, the simple way what I can do is in seconds I can create the budget. Right click and go to the insert function. When you click on insert function, there are so many options you will find here in general, and there are speeds up spreadsheet solutions also there. So we will go first for the basic personal budget. If I click here and OK, you will see the budget is created in seconds. So this is my personal budget. This you can adjust according to your requirements. So it is very simple and it has all the formulas which required. And here is your expenses. So in this, your simple budget is created in seconds. That way you can do many other things. Let's not save it. We open again the Excel sheet. Right click again and we go to insert function. Here you have 5 days event schedule, formula tutorial. If you want to make formula tutorial, you have it here. You want to create a chart, macro enabled sheet, or if you want inventory list, loan calculator, or personal expenses, or you can go here also billing settlement, blood pressure, expense report, monthly personal budget, this which we tried, time card, and sales report. So all these functions are inbuilt in Excel, which you can use from here. Let's say I say sales report, I click OK. Here you have all the data available. You can adjust these according to your requirements. Sales by product customer, by product customer. You have also the filtered one here, and these are the functions which you can use. So this is very simple. These are the inbuilt functions which we can use. Now if you want to rename your sheet, so simply you can double click here on rename your sheet, and there is another way. You do right click on rename, you can rename your sheet. So these are the very simple two ways you can rename your sheet. So that's it about this video. Hope you like this video. This is just to give you some insight. I will not save it. Thank you.